Hey guys, alright, we are inside of the Your Products tool inside of the Zonguru web application. For those unfamiliar, the Your Products tool is essentially a dashboard for you to manage and receive inventory alerts for products that you currently sell on Amazon. The Your Products tool is also the place for you to enter important information about your product's costs of goods sold, which will be reflected inside of the business dashboard net profit widget. We've set up the Your Products tool with you in mind so that you never run out of inventory again. Enter your COGS, manufacturer delivery time, and the shipping time so you can manage your profits and reorder timelines and never lose track of the most important aspects of your business. This tool is fairly straightforward to use, so let's just jump in real quick. To be able to utilize the seller feedback tool, it is important to note that you're going to need an active seller account connected to the Zonguru application. If you have any questions about connecting your seller account to Zonguru, please refer to the video inside of the Connect area here. Once you're connected and you navigate to this page, you will see all of the products that you're currently selling on Amazon listed here. All of the important information for your products are displayed, like the product title, ASIN, brand, and the ability to add a tag to your product if you are selling many and want to easily group them together. It is this column here that really makes the tool useful though. Here's where you can enter your COGS, or rather the estimated cost it takes to get the particular item from manufacturer to delivery inside of Amazon. And then here we have the estimated time it takes to get the product from manufacturer to Amazon. And finally here we have the amount of time it takes to manufacture the product. Once you enter these timeline estimates, you will see that Zonguru then automatically calculates the number you have entered against the number of orders that you've had in the past and tells you whether or not it is time to reorder your inventory. Not only will the reorder now notifications appear on this page, we have also integrated the tool with alerts so that anytime your inventory gets low, we send you an email letting you know that it may be time to reorder stock. This is an absolutely critical piece of information to have at your fingertips because there's not much in the Amazon space that will deflate sales volume faster than running out of inventory. Not only do you miss out on the sales that you would have received if your customers were able to buy from you, but it's become increasingly more obvious that your seller inventory planning index may also affect the visibility of your listing in relation to your customers. Suffice to say, you don't want to run out of inventory. Finally, you can use these drop-downs at the top of the screen to filter by whether or not the listings are in stock or out of stock, and also by marketplace. And as always, we have the search bar here that will let you search by ASIN, product title, or the previously mentioned tags. Alright, that pretty well covers the basics of the tool. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to support@zonguru.com. And as always, cheers for now and happy